final court appearance before trial this week, we learned that Diddy turned down that deal to plead guilty and instead will place his fate in the hands of a jury of his peers. For Sean Diddy Combs, the first Monday in May used to mean dressing to impress at the Met Gala.
I'm wearing Rick Owens and some Louboutin shoes.
But this first Monday in May will mark the start of Combs' federal sex trafficking trial. And his wardrobe is already picked out. It won't be his prison jumpsuit. Instead, the court is allowing him to sport up to 5 button-down shirts, pants, sweaters, socks, and shoes without laces to keep impartial appearances for the jury.
His image, his power, his wealth, his influence is on an international scale.
Pix 11 got an early look at the proposed questions for the jury selection process. From a pool of 150, attorneys will be selecting 12 people and 6 alternates for the 8-week trial.
Juries are human, and they have impacts and biases that subconsciously play a role.
Which is why both sides get a say when asking about prospective jurors' views on sex, assault, infidelity, prostitution, drugs, and hip-hop. The defense wants to ask about their personal experiences and opinions, if they would affect their ability to serve with impartiality. At a hearing this week, Combs' attorney compared his client to a swinger, giving a glimpse of a possible defense strategy, according to entertainment lawyer Yohara Escona. Something she says prosecutors can seize upon.
When did that consent turn into coercion? Where did the manipulation, where did the abuse happen? And I think that the prosecution is going to really have to pinpoint and identify where things took a turn.
Celebrity lawyer Mark Garagos, who represented Michael Jackson, will now watch his daughter, Tenny, try and get Combs an acquittal.
I think you're also going to see witness after witness say, I never went to the police. I didn't do anything in this case, at least in Cassie's case, until I got on the eve of the Adult Survivors Act.
So jury selection is expected to take 1 week, with the trial possibly lasting until after July 4th.